So here I have extracted the data. So this is the entire data. So now we are looking at just two variables now, right? So suppose if these are the notations, like we have the variance of first variable, variance of the second variable, right? And then the covariance of the two variables, that is the variance that are common to both. So the covariance matrix then looks something like this. So it is a symmetric matrix. So this same value will appear there in the upper half of the matrix. Okay. So let's set up this matrix. Okay. So we can use var.s. Okay. That will calculate the variance of the variable. So say calories. All right. So that will give us the variance of calories. Now let's do var.s of the second variable. Right? So that gives us the variance of the second variable. Okay. And then we can do covariance dot s. Okay. So then first variable and then the second variable. Okay. That will give us the covariance of except 1 and except 2. Okay. So that's what we have here somewhere. Yeah, I think that one. So now if you add these two, that is a measure of the total variance. Right? Of course, because we have covariance, okay, there is a little bit of an issue there, but let's for the moment ignore covariance. Okay? So let's just look at the two variances of the two variables. So the first variable accounts for, okay, divide that by that, so that will give you 65% of the variance, total variance, okay, 65.8% of the total variance, okay, is accounted for by the first variable, and the second one is the balance. Okay. So this is how we are starting out with. That is our starting point. Yes.
Did you get the 197?
That's the variance of the second column. Okay. Alright, so now let's bring in the PCA coefficients of the linear combination. So these are the coefficients. Okay. So from these coefficients, Z1, that's our one linear combination. That is our first PC, principal component. This is the second principal component. Remember, you know, we have as many principal components as the number of variables that we start with.